Would you rather have a baby polar bear or a baby seal? Would you rather pet a sleepy lion cub or a playful tiger cub? Would you rather own a fluffy hamster or a cute guinea pig? Would you rather subscribe or abandon this cute little cat? It's impossible to choose on the last one. Would you rather swim with dolphins or walk with penguins? Would you rather have a cat that sings or a dog that dances? Would you rather spend a day with baby elephants or baby giraffes? Would you rather hug a giant panda or a giant teddy bear-sized bunny?